Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in sunny South Florida, Margate, Florida. And by the way, that's our phone number to our company. And if you're looking for pricing, you can go right to our website or just call us. What do we got today? Come on over here. I got the new Toyota Tundra. Man, we've been doing a ton of these Tundras, man. Of course, we're right down the street from a Toyota dealer, so that helps out a lot. This is the M Series XT. What is that? Well, the M Series is referring to a manual with the marine grade vinyl on here. Basically, this is made for Florida weather. That means the UV is on here. It's going to protect you against the sun. If you live in a sunny state, Texas, California, these hold up really well with the sun. Now, this has the XT rail. Take a good look here. You can see what it is. That is for putting racks on. It's not even a $100 add-on. It's a very inexpensive thing, but with these, you can get that. That's right. You can get the low racks. You can get the high racks. We got the Truck Seal Elevate rack system. It goes from 18 to 28 inches. Then you got your Rhino racks here. All this stuff can be put on this cover. So let's come over and take a look at some other cool features on this. Now, one thing I want you to notice is how quickly, when I open this up, how quickly it opens up. It is very fast. Actually, sometimes you have to hold the strap here. Now that's nice because it opens up quick. You get to your stuff and you close it quick. Now that it's open, take a look at the size of the canister. One thing you'll notice is how darn small that canister is. This is one of the smallest, if not the smallest, of all the rolling covers. And this is going to be really nice because it gives you more room to put stuff in here. Also, if you notice, I get the drainage system off to the sides and out of the way. Usually I don't go in the floor, but these do have pre-made holes in the floor, so I did use those. And they are out of the way where you're not going to hit it with any kind of plywood. Now, I'm going to tell you the good and bad. Your truck comes with these nice little rails. Unfortunately, this cover has to bolt in where the rails are, so the rails do have to come out. So keep that in mind. Now, this does have stops. Now, if you listen to a little click here, you can have this partially open or partially closed. Now, there's a lot of covers out there. It's either all the way open or all the way closed, and there's nothing in between. This one does have the stops in between. And you can see how nice that works. Now, again, with the T-slots, it's going to hold up to 500 pounds. You can put tents on there. You can do a lot of different things. This is going to come with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. There is a promotion going on right now. If you have us install it for you, you get double the warranty from 3 to 6. That's only if we professionally install it for you. Now, if you decide, hey, I don't live in Florida, I want to get this, how do I get this? We could ship this anywhere in the country, and if you buy it from us, we'll walk you through any of the installation for you. And that's real important, because a lot of times you get in here and you're having questions, you can call us up and say, hey, this rail and this thing not lining up, and I'll say, yeah, put your hand underneath the canister, move it up, it'll line up. You know, things like that. When you buy from us, you're getting us. If you buy from any of our competitors, a lot of times they do not install, so that if you have a question with the installation, they cannot help you where we can. So again, we can get this anywhere in the country. We ship it to Portland, Oregon, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Texas, Cincinnati, Ohio, whatever you like, we can get it for you. And a lot of people don't realize, like for example, this guy, when he placed the order, no one else had it. Roll Lock is made down the street from us, so they actually made it for us, and we had it for them in a couple days. So really nice. It's great that we have a good working relationship with the manufacturer. So they do stand behind the products. It's real important, and we help you out if you need it. So like for example, if we install this for you, we're going to give you 1-year labor guarantee on all our work. This way, you know, I know places they don't give you a warranty. They do it's 2 weeks, maybe a month if you're lucky. We do an entire year, so we'll take good care of you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and before I go, make sure you like and subscribe, man. We appreciate that. This way you can stay up with all the latest products. Again, this is a review of the M Series Roll Lock with the XT rail on a 22 Toyota Tundra. Thank you.